Yo guys, my name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video on the channel, guys. Today we will be once again discussing the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart and what you can be doing for this weekend, of course, because yes, the charts are looking very exciting, and if you're a Bitcoin or Ethereum holder, you should be definitely sticking towards the end of this video, because yes, we're going to discuss key levels of support and resistance, and of course some current patterns that are unfolding on the Ethereum and on the Bitcoin chart. So if that sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to as well subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on this time related video. So without further ado, let's go right away into the video, guys. Let's go for 400 likes, and as well, if you're new to the channel here, let me know in the comment section. And besides that, guys, if you have some good recommendations where I really have to be looking into towards, make sure to drop it in the comment section as well here. But thank you so much already for tuning in here, and let's discuss Bitcoin. So yeah, we have been redrawing this symmetrical triangle a little bit here, but you can see here we are still significantly setting higher lows. Of course, yesterday we bounced very nice over here. So yeah, like I told you before, never trading short in this market. I should definitely not short, especially not trading in the weekend is definitely a thing that I'm currently doing here. Besides that, on the 4-hourly RSI, we are forming a beautiful uptrend. So yeah, the RSI is very important to look at because it's a momentum indicator, and I like to look at momentum for Bitcoin. Is the momentum shifting to the upside? Yes, it looks like, because there are also some significant pattern right now playing out, but yeah, the 4-hourly RSI is bouncing back towards the upside. Looks particularly good here, where it was also about to create a bullish divergence, but we were already bouncing earlier. So yeah, this specific pattern can be, of course, pushing the price up towards the 52k or towards the 20k towards the downside. So let's see which direction it will be breaking out towards. Hopefully we can be seeing a breakout outside of the weekend, like I told you before, guys. If we're seeing a breakout in the weekends, it will be just not significant, because in the weekend, there is too much manipulation, and we're also not going to reach a price target if we're going to see a break up or a breakdown here in the weekend. So that's the reason why I will be taking it very slow with my trades in the weekends. Of course, if I'm going to see a breakout of this specific pattern, guys, I will be taking a trade on Bybit. You can be already signing up with the link in the description. And of course, if we're going to see a trade possibility, I will be right away going live here on the channel to, of course, discuss the levels that I'm accumulating my trade on. Because yes, I would certainly love to open this trade here all together with you guys. So yeah, you can be already signing up with the Bybit link in the description here. You can also join the competition right now to gain some extra rewards while you're already trading. So it will be amazing if you're joining it. Highest link in the description. So yeah, Bitcoin compared to US dollar looks very exciting, but there are also some other potential patterns unfolding on the Bitcoin chart, because yeah, you can be also approaching it a little bit differently, because before we were setting lower highs, right? We were setting lower highs each and every time, but right now the things have been really shifting, because right now, of course, we have been setting this higher low structure, and right now we can be potentially going towards the upside over here. And if we're potentially going to go towards the upside, guys, and of course towards this blue box of resistance, we can be looking for a W recovery, and we have not been seeing a higher low structure getting formed here on the 4-hour before on Bitcoin. So this is a very significant thing here why I can't be bearish right now on Bitcoin, and this looks extremely good in my opinion. So yeah, a potential W can definitely play out right now, and of course this potential W can be also pushing up the price. Of course, if we're going to see it playing out here, and I do believe we will be seeing it out, it can be pushing up the price towards the 50k here. And as well, with the symmetrical triangle breaking out, guys, I think the next week will be extremely volatile, and of course the next week can be maybe giving us insane targets towards the upside, in my opinion. So make sure that you are prepared. But of course, potential W, potential symmetrical triangle breakout towards the upside, finally in higher low getting formed on the 4-hourly Bitcoin chart. This looks extremely good here, in my opinion. We are seeing the first signs of a clear reversal, guys. You don't want to be missing out on this one, and that is of course the reason why I'm making this video for you guys. So these are my quick thoughts about Bitcoin. I will be not going into it will be not an extreme long video, but guys, it's same for Ethereum. Exactly the same for Ethereum. I can't stress enough about it. Once again here, we've been setting lower highs on the 4-hourly each and every time, but finally we are getting the first reversal signal, guys. The first reversal signal is right now finally playing out, and we can be seeing, of course, also a potential W playing out here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart, you can see beautiful. This one is even more beautiful in my opinion. You can see one, of course, higher low structure getting formed here, neckline getting formed. Okay, this looks absolutely perfect in my opinion, and I just can't wait to see where this one will be ending, because yeah, this looks also extremely good. This looks extremely beautiful, and we can be definitely seeing some potential higher prices. And as well, if we're going to measure the price target for Ethereum compared to US dollar, guys, this can be also a very significant move towards the upside, towards the 4K and 52 US dollars. So guys, this is an extremely important video to watch here, and of course that's probably why we will be putting Emeregency in the title, because we are finally seeing the trend reversal. You don't want to be missing out on this one, and that is the reason why I'm trying to make this update for you guys. Of course, I just woke up here, I saw this in the charts, right away recording for you guys. I'm always keeping my eyes on the charts, and if I'm seeing such these kinds of confirmations, I will be definitely making a video, and of course telling you guys how we are standing right now. And besides that, on the MACD, we are also starting to form and higher low structure as well, with a higher high structure already getting formed here. So this looks as well very good here. Daily candles, of course, looks to be bouncing as well here. Daily, of course, finally, for Ethereum, the daily was already looking particularly good here, because we are already starting a daily uptrend on the price section of Ethereum. And that is the reason why I do like Ethereum quite a lot right now, because as you can see over here, higher high getting formed over here on the daily candles since the drop off, of course, and as well a higher low right now. So yeah, we are looking in a very strong way here right now, in my opinion. We are looking extremely strong here, and we can be really looking for potential higher prices, guys. Don't fall for the FUD, don't fall for the fear. Make sure, if we're really going to fall further, that you're going to accumulate, and don't be on the wrong side here. So guys, this was my quick update video about Bitcoin. The trend looks to be reversing right now on the 4 hour. This is definitely a thing that you want to be checking out here. Make sure to share it with your friends, so they are not going to miss out on these potential rewards here, of course, on Bitcoin. Don't have your friends selling their Bitcoin right now. You have to be having them buying their Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It was a very short update video, but the trend is suddenly reversing, guys. I will check you guys later today in another live stream, and peace out.